Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my video. Do it yourself Headless CMS Part 2 installing SOLR version 8.11.1. You will need the Java runtime environment GRE version 1.8 or higher. Let's download the latest SOLR, which is 8.11.1. SOLR includes a service installation script to help you install Solr as a service on Linux. Currently, the script only supports CentOS, Debian, Red Hat, SUSE, and Ubuntu Linux distribution. By default, the service installation script will extract the distribution archive into /opt. You can change this location using the -i option when running the installation script. To run the script, you'll need to download the latest SOLR distribution archive and then do the following. This command basically is extract the install SOLR service script from the archive into the current directory. Failed to download metadata app stream. Let's try it with Yum. Is this still the same error? Yum install also. Yeah, failed to download metadata. CentOS 8 at which the end of life on December 31st, 2021. It means that CentOS 8 will no longer receive development resources from the official CentOS project. So I think you need to change the mirror to foldocentos.org, where they will be archived permanently. Or alternatively, you may want to upgrade to CentOS Stream, but that's not an option. I mean that after December 31st 2021, if you need to update your CentOS, you need to change the mirror to fold.centos.org. So let's go to the /etcjm repo directory. I changed the mirror to fold.centos.org. Okay, let's try again. Let's install lsoft. Lsoft meaning let's open files is used to find out which files are opened by which process. Okay, it seems working. Next, let's go back to temporary directory and install a Solr service. Oops, no space left on device. Let me try to clear first in the background. Let's make sure SOLR is not installed. Checking SOLR status. SOLR could not be found. Okay. Let's check SOLR port, which is 8983. Okay, no port with 8983. Let's try. Okay, service doesn't exist. Okay, now let's try to install again. Oh, okay, directory already exists. Skipping extract. As well, service could not be found. Yep, failed to enable the unit. As well, service doesn't exist. We delete the directory as well first, and then try to reinstall again. Okay, happy searching. Okay, so it is installed. Let's start check to see if the status is running. No, the status is not running. Let's try to enable SLR. Status is not running, inactive. Let's try to check the port SLR 8983. Okay, it's there. The port is access. Next is to change the limits security. Basically, this config is to fix the max processes and max number of open files. Let's start to restart Solr. Oh, it seems there's an error. 4 is already being used by another process. Let's try to stop the Solr and see if the status again is already being used. Okay, let's check who's using the port 8983 with LSOF. Okay, let's kill the bit 22832. Okay, status. Let's try to start again. Solr. Okay, SLR is running on port 8983. Next is to open port 8983. If you are not accessing Solr on localhost, then you need to allow external access to port 8983 on firewall D if it is running. Next, last process is to try to create a Solr example. I want to name the collection with IKN. Oops, Solr command not found. Oh, I think I need to use SU. Okay, created new core IKN. Okay, that's it for the video. Do it yourself, Headless CMS Part 2, installing as well as version 8.11. Thank you for watching.